Welcome to the world of governance, risk and compliance, or GRC. In this video, we'll explore how effective GRC management empowers organizations to navigate the challenges of corporate governance, manage risks, and ensure compliance. At IMC, aligning your business objectives with managing risks and complying with regulatory requirements is our priority. Our expertise encompasses corporate governance, model business processes, management of contracts, enterprise risk management, internal audits, corporate compliance, and benchmark compliance framework. As implementation partners of Corporata, a leading global software company, we play a vital role in your GRC journey. Corporata empowers medium to large organizations with integrated solutions for governance, performance, risk, and compliance, streamlining the implementation process to get you up and running in weeks, not months. In the ever-evolving business landscape, let's uncover the 5 keys to effective GRC management. Conduct thorough research to understand the nuances of your business environment. Adopt an iterative approach, ensuring continuous improvement. Foster collaboration across all levels of your organization. Maintain open communication for transparency and accountability. Embrace innovation to stay ahead in a competitive market. In a world where change is the only constant, effective governance, risk, and compliance management, alongside the right partners like IMC and Corporata, can make all the difference. We are here to simplify and streamline your GRC strategy, ensuring sustainable success for your organization.